Common sense will tell you got to get out there and fucking perform if you want to get the baddest bitches and be able to live the life that you want to live. But we sit here and we live in this crazy ass world and we subscribe to the female mindset. I should get things just because I exist.
Is that Tyga on the beat?
Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today.
Newsflash for you ass clowns. Only women get to be delusional, not men. You're never going to be appreciated just for existing as a man. Better, what does that mean? You need to add value to the world.